Okay. So this is gonna be the door right here to the restroom. Okay. So when you open the door, the first thing you're gonna see is the shower. Okay. And then over here on this side, it's gonna be the vanity. Okay, it's gonna be the vanity, and that's where the toilet's gonna be right there. The vanity is gonna be right there. Okay, from this position right here. Okay, well, right there where that's gonna be the shower edge right there. It's gonna be glass. All right, it's gonna be glass right there. Right here is gonna be glass. Okay, all the way up to that edge right there. It's gonna be glass, and then right here is gonna be the vanity. Okay, 8 foot right there to that 2x4 right there. So it's gonna go all the way the vanity maybe to about right there. Okay, these lights are sconces right there. All right, now that has to match. I want that to match. Also, I'm gonna put a little bench right here. Right here is gonna be a little bench right here. All right. So right there, I want to create. I'm gonna use the leftover from the inside, leftover, so that way we can put the top and the side, maybe on that side too. Make it the same color. That way it all match. But here's where the cutout's gonna be right here. Okay, this is the center. This is the center of the drain. Right there. Okay. So what you got, see, so I'm gonna put 2x6s right here. 2x6s where that line is right there. That chalk line. All the way to about right there. Okay. And to about right here. So, okay. And then, so that's where it's going to be. Right there. That's where the tub is going to be. Alright. Now, let me show you the tub. I got the tub in my garage. So, here's the tub right there. Okay. Here's the tub. There's the tub right there, and that's the thickness. See there? That's the thickness. And that's what it looks like, man. Okay. So that's gonna be it, man. You know, see what you can do for me. So, man, I knocked down some walls. See all these walls? I knocked down some, redoing everything. I already got all that done. Yeah. So that's what that looks like in here. And then right here is that's where the tub is gonna go right there. That's a walk-in closet right there. And over here is where the shower is gonna be. A walk-in shower. The vanity. Okay. That way you can get an idea of what we're looking at. Okay. So that's what she looks like, man. Right here's gonna be the edge. So that pier is probably about maybe like 6 inches. Maybe actually, yeah, it's about 6.5 inches. Cause there's a well, the 2x6s, but it's really 5.5 inches. I'm gonna tie that in, so it's the same over here. That's actually right on the money. Okay. And that's gonna be the space. So, all right, man, that's it.